All Manipur United Clubs organization, Amuco, visited several churches and extended gifts on the occasion of Christmas festival. Speaking on the sidelines, Amuco President Sorokhaibam Sanjoy urged all indigenous communities to take collective responsibility for the peaceful of Manipur. Pushing for a developed and thriving state, he said that with a collective understanding of the state's deeper issues, each community can come together and resist the black law of divide and rule played by central administration.
Amuco among Samina Loop Marina, Puna, Asama Kudon, Asi Kistan Chapa Chinhousing, Maham Tamjabani, Maramdi, Manipur have said Jati Drama Sunalebum, Mapam Ama Webana, Maram Oraga, Kuna Asila Minerva Quishing as Amatani, New Manipurama Semina with Asago Dite Lominasi, Aduga Lena, Andaki, Lakiva, Sum Christmas, Asida, Akoi Kuna Asida, Poliva Hinsagi Todosing as Makatana, Kuna Asibo, Akoi Mute Minelataba, Santi Leva, Apabu Kunama Semba, Asago Dite Lominasi.
On the other hand, MBC Church's pastor, Reverend Zuwan Kamang Daimai said that Manipur Baptist Convention Center Church Imphal played key roles in major issues of the state irrespective of religious lines. He added that preparations are complete for the incoming Christmas festivals and appealed to all to pray for a peaceful and united Manipur.
Christmas celebration tawse masisi nungsi Maruibani, Mamdi, a pop celeba, conveningai, see her shoe, a tower sitting Pangai, Hingling Sida, a Santi Wena, Hingai, shore prosus, Christi Pugi, Numit, Palansi, Haying, Nasi Haying, celebration towed in Labini, Aduna, Iram Danda, Manipurda, Christmas celebration, Tobogolena, Intatabasi, Lehan Busi, Tamoy, Nungi Preni, Aduga Shonasu, Madugi Santi, Intaba, Iram Danda, Muru and Manipurda. Shona people was no Haina Heining it.